y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am memory keeping the week of Christmas, and I have a beautiful kit to use and lots of pictures to include. So let me go through this kit with you. It's from Nikki Plus 3. It's called December Joy. It's gorgeous. I just love it so much. It's simple, but also just so pretty, and I love the touches of the foil. It's gorgeous and very different from the other spreads that I have done for this month. So I think it's going to be just a good mix. I'll have lots of variety in December. Okay, so here are the full boxes. We've got some labels at the bottom as well. Tons of boxes, which I love. And then we've got some functional things here, along with a little bit of deco, some headers. The bottom washi is so beautiful. And then I've got some date covers. And then she also includes, because her kits are just like all encompassing, we've got some deco here, additional deco, and then some date dots and the weekend banner and some little bows, which are cute. So that's going to be what I'm working with this week. So this is the last spread in this planner before I move into my 2022 planner. And I think it's going to be a good one to end on. I'm excited. So let's get started. Oh, this kit is so beautiful. So I'm laying down the washi first, the little strip first, and then the bigger strip. This actually goes a little bit further on the right side. I should have trimmed it probably, but I think it looks fine. I'm not gonna do it. It's fine. And then I just used the date numbers from the kit and popped those in. Her kits come with everything that you could possibly need. And I love saving these date dots and putting them in my stash because I can use them with other kits. Then just turning my planner on its side to put in the headers. So with her kits, the full boxes and the date covers, anything with a standard width is really thin, meaning you need to put it like inside of the lines. So I had to really, you can't tell from here, but I had to be very careful in laying everything down because if you don't, you can like see spaces on both sides. So just something to note with her kits, they do fit inside of the lines, not on the lines. And then going over to the sidebar, I put in this beautiful box that says Merry Christmas to All. And I wanted to take the sister box to this one and put it on the other side of the spread just so they kind of mirrored each other since they went together. And then I put down this Rudolph one. I didn't actually get to use that one. I wanted to because it's really cute, but it just didn't fit with all of the pictures that I had and everything. So I'm putting in the month sticker with a little bit of the deco. I just pulled the December one. Those are from Sadie's stickers, and then the deco is from the kit itself. And I think that looks so beautiful up there, just gorgeous. And then just finishing up the sidebar, I popped in a half box down there for my favorite moment of the week, and then some cute deco. And then I just pulled a label to mark in this week. You don't really need to put in a this week header or label or anything. I think it's just habit for me at this point, but I think it does kind of make it a little more finished. And then on Monday, so starting with the actual events of the week. So I slept in for a little while and I'm just popping in this Pumpkin Paper Co. girl. I hope that she gets her shop back soon because I want to order some things, and something happened with her Etsy shop. I'm not really clear on what happened, but I hope she gets it back soon because it like closed unexpectedly and she posted about it. So anyway, I needed to sleep in on this Monday just to recharge a little bit. And then I also got a ton of pre-filming and editing done. And I have a note here that I wanted to get 2 to 3 weeks ahead, which I did. I was very proud of myself. I ended up doing some of the editing after I got back from visiting family, but the purpose of that was to get ahead because of my surgery and just so I had a less stressful start to January. I just wanted to kind of take a little break in January, which was the right decision for me. And It was worth the extra work up front. And then below that full box, I put in a little arrow that I cut down to mark that I started watching The West Wing. I know it's an old show. My mom loves it. She's talked to me about it for years and years. And I just never watched it. I'm also like that person who's like, okay, mom, whatever. And then she always like has good shows for me. But I started it. I'm still in season 1, but I'm really enjoying it and like it a lot. I also put a note here that I'm just really proud of my goal series. I think I already wrote that in a previous memory spread, but I don't care because I'm proud of myself. And I think you should pat yourself on the back when you produce things that you love and that help people and that fulfill you. And that series did that for me and for you. So thank you for all your support on that series. And then on Tuesday, I put in it's a cute little like saying about just kind of being complicated and being a mess. And it's okay around the holidays to be a mess. And then on Tuesday, I filmed the last of what I wanted to get filmed. And I am using these cute stickers from Poor Little Pepper. They look similar to Fox and Pip stickers, but they're a little bit more detailed. And I just pulled out that sheet to use with this week's spread because I think her stickers go really well with this kit. So on this Tuesday, my dad had an MRI for his back. He had a herniated disc and he was hurting a lot. And we were all just like super worried about him. And I was definitely worried. I put a note on that half box about it. And I stayed up way too late. I couldn't really sleep. I was just kind of worried about him. Luckily, everything has worked out. We actually had surgery on the same day. At the same time, basically. And my mom was a wreck, but we both got through everything very well. And he's feeling so much better. And I'm really glad because he was hurting a lot. Wednesday, my little godson and my nephew, he turned 1, Stellan Ames. We have the same middle name. He's just a little cutie. I mean, so much personality, so fun. And I was really happy to see him the next day. I didn't get to see him on his birthday, but I got to see them the next day. I also drove to my parents' house in Midland, Texas, which is south of where I live. And this was the day that my dad's surgery got scheduled, which was a relief, but also just worried about him. And I actually saw him this day, you know, because I was like driving in to stay with them. And, you know, it's just hard seeing your parents like go through stuff and be in physical pain and things like that. So just emotions, you know. And then I started watching this really great show on Amazon Prime called Harlem. I have finished it. I hope it gets a second season because it's so good. It's very much like a younger, like Sex and the City kind of situation with 4 friends. It's so good. I really loved it. On Thursday, I have this picture of me and Olive. I could not get a picture with this dog. We love each other so much. And I was trying to get a picture with her, but she would not be still. And so she looks like mad, but she's not. She's just like stoic. So cute. And then my nephews and my sister and brother-in-law arrived. And so here's a picture of my nephew and my middle sister, Chase. They were decorating these giant gingerbread cookies. And then I have a cute picture with Stellan down there at the bottom. It was so warm this week, like unnaturally warm. Like it was like 88 or 85 on Thursday and Friday. It was crazy. We wore short sleeves. I wore a tank top this day. It was just very warm and it wasn't right. It should have been cooler. I wanted to wear my cute sweaters, but instead I was wearing like t-shirts. On Friday, my mom and I cooked pretty much all day and we made our best potato rolls ever. It's a family tradition at this point. And my mom cut them really big and they ended up being amazing. We also drove over to my dad's pool. He's a swim coach and we had to go check out some things. They were doing some improvements on the pool and he couldn't do much because of his back. And so we went to go help with that. We also had my nephew's birthday celebration, and he got to eat some cake. He looked so cute. And then my dad read this book. My sister wants to make it like a tradition to read "'Twas the Night Before Christmas," and so he read that to my nephews. It was really cute. And then we got a picture of them in front of the tree, which was adorable in their matching PJs. On Saturday the 25th, we got up and did our stockings. We did an egg casserole, which was delicious. It's my recipe, and it's good. I'm not just tooting my own horn. It's delicious. And then we did our gift exchange, which was really fun because my older nephew, Grayson, he actually knew like what was going on this year because he's 4. So he like understood the concept of gifts, and so that was really fun. And I also tried to fix my dad's iCloud account, and I just couldn't do it. I called Apple. I talked to people. I got mad. It wasn't a good time. And I still didn't fix it, which made me frustrated. But we also went to the park, which was really fun. We got to play with some of Grayson's toys, and they got to play on the equipment. I got some really cute pictures. This isn't even all of them. This is just a couple of them. I got one of my mom that was super funny, of her going down this really steep slide. And then there's a picture of Stellan on his little riding toy thing. So cute. And we had Chinese food for dinner. It was delicious. We had to kind of hunt around town for a place that was open, but that's what we wanted, and we found it. It was really good. We also watched Noelle on Saturday night. I love that movie. It's so sweet. And then on Saturday or Sunday, I have a couple pictures here. This was when we all kind of went home. We usually spend more time, but with me having surgery, Dad having surgery, and my sister had to move on to my brother-in-law's family, and so this was the day that we all said goodbye. But I got some cute pictures of my sister painting in the book that I got her, and my nephew looking so adorable on the front lawn. So cute. And my mom made waffles for us, and I swear Stellan ate like 2 or 3 waffles. That kid can put it away. And then this is also my sister's birthday, my youngest sister, and she was turning 31, I think. I'm pretty sure it was 31. And I also drove home this evening, so I was trying to like cut down a flag, but I couldn't really do it very well. So I just used a little bit of deco to write "drive home." And then I found an emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. to mark in my baby sister's birthday. She was born the day after Christmas. We used to celebrate her birthday in the summertime, which I think is what we're going to do with Stellan, since his is so close to Christmas. But we try to make her birthday special and, you know, different from Christmas. And then I'm just putting in a couple more character stickers just because I wanted to just make this spread extra special. So I love these emoji heads from Coffee Monsters Co. They just kind of bring a little bit of something extra to the whatever you're trying to point out. And then I actually went into my summer album to find some So Hot stickers and So Sweaty stickers because we were just dying. It was so warm. And I love how those look because I'll remember now when I see them like how hot it actually was. And then just finishing up my journaling section over here, I wrote, "It wasn't how we planned, but I'm so grateful for our family time this week. Although I am worried for my dad, I know he'll feel so much better soon." And he does. He felt like instantly better after getting out of surgery, and he is doing very well, and my elbow is doing pretty well. So it all worked out, and hopefully this spring and summer we'll get to spend some more quality time together. And my favorite moment of the week was definitely the gift giving. I just love that. It's my favorite. And then just adding some more of the deco to the spread, basically because it was there. Here's this spread all finished, and it's definitely one of my favorite of the entire year. Not only is it just like good memories, so many pictures, and it just looks really pretty like all together. I wish I could have used a few more full boxes, but that's totally okay because I love this. It's so like layered and cute. I'm gonna love looking back on this week, even years from now. I just love it so much. I hope that you enjoyed it as well. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye.